ba? Ah, barang. Oh. Mas mayor ba?
They are the overseas Filipinos. Parehas sa mga overseas Chinese who are here. Here, having business. You are the overseas Filipinos. You make us proud. And kamusta na ibilin, do not waste their money. Di dalhin ang trabaho sa gawas. Ikaluha pa, ang kaguol na malayo sa pamilya. Ikatulo, ayaw mo pangitaglain. Ayaw sa pangitaglain, kapos lapikas. Ang pinaka-importante, inipadog ninyo, kumpleto mo. Inigbalik mo lang gihapon ang inyong paulian. Kasi mahuli mo sa laing balay. Ayaw in town. Daghang salamat. Congratulations kaninyong dala. God bless. And please release me. I have another appointment. Ni Aguila ko din because I do not want to miss when it's Edward's gathering. I want to grow with Edward. Edward wants to grow with me. He probably will be the next mayor in the years to come. Thank you very much.
I find it difficult, I'm sure as well as you, to really express our gratitude to the Mayor of Cebu City, because this to him, I'm sure, is also special. That's why we made sure na siya karong napili. So ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause one more time for Mayor Mike Brown. The BMC Training Center for Welding and Fabrication Incorporated would like to award this plaque of appreciation to Honorable Michael L. Brown for sharing his time and valuable support as guest speaker in the commencement exercises of the 24th batch of 2012 trainees in welding technology a success. Given the 17th day of March 2012, at the JSU PSU Mariners Court, Pier 1, Cebu City, Philippines. Signed, Edward M. Lapor Sr., DTE, Proprietor and Training Director.
Laro day. Ha? Bayad din. May pa ba? Pagwa. Oh. May pound pa.
Now here again, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to Dr. Edward M. Lapor Sr.
Thank you, Ray Rojas. Dr. Ray Rojas, never-ending support sa BMC. And further message for Mayor Ram. To tell you the truth, mura ko magtugkat sa akong ay mutangan gamang tungkol sa suporta. Never-ending support of Mayor Raman. So, to tell you, he was telling you ahead that I am the plant welder of Cebu Oxygen Striking Force, and he was our personnel manager who really helped poor people in need of assistance. Why na yung tao para dako ang suporta? Anyway, this is just to follow up on what he said nga kami kauban. Ako welder sa planta, kabulingit at upang sa boiler. Sometimes mayo ko Ginoo maghapon magbuntag magabi na lang ko ining boiler.
Nawa to nga na.
Do I have improvement sa akin? Anyway, it's just a part of our life. The history repeats itself para we were once together in Waco. Cebu na still in kapalit. Okay, if they proceed to my message, to all the graduates,
Basig usad man na.
honor, yes.
Pain na lang ni.
Say, Honorable Miguel Rama,
Dito sa tawag
Mayor,
dito.
never any support. And here we are, we're supporting you for as long as we will be with beings all the time in support of our